I don't think I can do this. No! Don't ever think negative, ever. Only positive. Do, da, da.
It's so nice to know that you're not alone. Starting ballet as an adult is not easy, and coming to something and being a beginner and being a student can be really hard. It's really important. Everyone needs to be a bit kinder, a bit more understanding, and not be so hard on yourself. Like, have fun with it.
Struggling, just keep moving, okay? We mess up on stage all the time and just have to keep going. I was doing a solo and I completely blanked out and just had to do improv the rest of the way.
After class, put your fingers between your toes, spread them out, give them a little massage. You all did a great job today.
Literally, if you have the mindset that being a beginner at any age is possible and desirable, like literally you can do anything. Eject all those crappy voices that are like, you're too this, it's too late, blah, blah, blah. And then like embrace the idea that being a beginner is like the coolest thing ever. And then everything will change. Everything will change.
And I think that that's like where adult ballet classes tend to miss the mark, is like teachers may not realize like adults have a lot of potential. Like we may, you know, like not get to like crazy levels, but like you can learn a lot. Like you can be a really good dancer at whatever age.
Generally speaking, your feet and your ankles are less molded to have range in the pointed direction, and you have more range in the flex direction.
So now we dive into this more lyrical place and we dive into choosing joy. You have enough vocabulary now of ballet that you can have a full conversation through your dance.
And so Martha Graham wrote this to Agnes DeMille. There is a vitality, a life force, a quickening that is translated through you into action. And because there is only one of you in all time, this expression is unique. If you block it, it will never exist through any other medium and be lost. The world will not have it. It is not your business to determine how good it is, nor how valuable it is, nor how it compares with other expressions. It is your business to keep it yours, clearly and directly, to keep the channel open. You do not even have to believe in yourself or your work. You have to keep open and aware directly to the urges that motivate you. Keep the channel open. No artist is pleased. There is no satisfaction whatever at any time. There is only a queer, divine dissatisfaction, a blessed unrest that keeps us marching and makes us more alive than the others.